Hello viewers and welcome to today's forex tutorial. And in today's forex tutorial I will be showing you how you can customize your MT4 for trading, the desktop version of it for trading. So by default this is my MT4 from FBS. I'm using FBS as my broker, so they are doing very well, and I equally recommend them as the best broker to anybody who is going into forex. And by default, once you install the MT4 that you've downloaded, this is how it looks like. So I want to customize it to my own preference, the way I want it. So in order to do that, first, I don't want these 4 view windows. I just need one view. And by default, the colors here I don't like. And I like trading on the Euro USD. Once you open up this window, all you just need to do is right click on it, and then we'll go to properties. And here my background, I would like it to be white, so I'll go ahead and click on white. The foreground should be black. I'll click on black. Then the grid, I'll leave it by default. Then I'll come down here to the bullish candle. I would like this to be blue, and the bearish candle should be red. Then the bar upline should equally go with the blue that I choose for the bearish candle, and the bar down line should go with the red that I chose for the bearish candle. So line graph, I'll leave it by default the way it is. Volumes should be the same way, and I think this is like it. Okay, I like what I have here. So on the grid, I'm not going to show grid. All I just have to do is to show period separators and click on OK. Alright, this is exactly what I want it to look like, and with this it gives me a whole lot of space to trade on forex, without making mistakes. So I guess you now know how to customize your MT4, and in our next video I will show you how to place a trade. So all you just have to do is to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.